What is up, guys? YouTube 333. Like, subscribe, and share. Check out links in the description. In this video, we're going to go ahead and review the Ikross USB mini desktop fan. So, IKPC35. We're going to go and try it on my laptop here. So yeah, let's get into this. Here's some of the specs and features. Quiet design with upward, downward adjustable airflow. On-off switch to conserve power when not in use. Dimensions right there: USB power cord length, fan diameter, weight, power supply, DC consumption. Okay, so this is really, I bought this for my Everstart 750. In case I ended up living in a car for a while. Driving cross country or whatever. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so it's really smaller than I thought it was, how it looked on Amazon. But hey, if it's powerful enough, it'll definitely come in handy. Because I remember one time when I was living in the car in Las Vegas, with the car off, because I was wasting a lot of gas with the car off. I was like, damn, it'd be nice to have like a fan or something like this. So that's really cool. So let me take this for a thumbnail real quick. Alright, so here's the on and off switch back here. Let me untangle this real quick. Alright, moment of truth right here. Let me untangle this. Plug it in. And then turn the on switch. Boom. Nice, dude. This has a pretty powerful little, wind, or whatever you want to call it. But yo, I can feel it way back here. This is nice. Yeah, I really recommend this, guys. I'm gonna add this to my Amazon page, link in the description for sure. Peace out, guys. Check out, like, subscribe, and share.